Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2014 GMC Sierra 1500 in an SLT trim and powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with a bit of a lift installed, as you can probably tell, with fender flares to match and running boards down below. But let's take a look inside. Then looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a 12-volt power outlet right there. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You also have two memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 157,109 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, fuel range, oil life, fuel economy, trip timer, transmission fluid temperature, trailer brake. And then you can also go into your audio, phone, and navigation controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with pre-collision assist, or actually that's distance pacing. And then you do also have a heated steering wheel, so you can keep your fingers warm. To the left, you have your trailer brake controller, as well as your 4x4 controls with 4 auto and your lighting controls. Moving on to, backside of the steering wheel, you have your radio controls. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, Bluetooth, and auxiliary capable, I believe. So you have quite a few options there. You have your navigation screen as well, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And moving down from that, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, as well as having heated and air conditioned front seats. Moving down a little further, here you have your power adjustable pedals, traction control shut off, your cargo lights, park assist sensor shut off, lane keeping system, hill descent assist, and then you have 3 USBs, 2 12-volt power outlets, and a 115-volt power outlet, I believe. And then you have your center console area here with 2 cup holders and a deep cubby. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. And then last but not least, or not last actually, moving on to your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious with your 2 USBs, auxiliary SD card slot, and 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio. And then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and then last but not least, you have a power moonroof so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.